Rahman Rahim. If you remember, in previous class we talked about verb and we discussed different types of verb. Munga main verb is among sarabiat action verb and linking verb. Aga munga discuss kala. Pa action verb ki we talked about transitive, intransitive, regular, irregular. I hope chida batao sa yaad bhi. Sahi na? Then linking verb we discussed. Linking verb che aga bum pa present ke sang istemalu, pa past ke basang istemalu. Is, mr, was, were वगैरह चे मुंग कम दिरागी uses मुंग discuss कला. Then yesterday we talked about helping verb or primary auxiliary helping verb sade the helping verb car sade. No, we discussed two major functions of helping verb. First, it shows the singularity and plurality of subject. The subject singularity and plurality hai some cases ke. And then we discussed that the major function of a helping verb is that it shows aspect of tense. The tense aspect, whether the tense is present, past or future, ya pa present ke dan zamung sara kam yo indefinite te, continuous te, perfect te ya perfect continuous te. I hope that's clear to you. Aho clear di kana. Now in verb we are left with one further type, that is modal auxiliary. So that is the last type in verb. Verb ke no types taqriban told discuss kala. We are left with modal auxiliary only. Now we call it auxiliary, but modal auxiliary. So there are some similarities and differences between primary auxiliary kam che helping verb de or modal auxiliary pa de ke che kam matlab that differences humsta or similarities pa ke humsta. Now what's the difference and what are the similarities? Similarity badwano ke dara che they are both followed by a main verb, action verb. Sahi na? Helping verb as well as modal verb are followed by an action verb या main verb तासु वेलिशे संग ची मुंगा परुने विचे helping verb मुंगा आले helping verb हिसाबो ची कले ददेना पस जमु सरा यो main verb यो action verb ची दिया राशि. Same is the case with modal auxiliaries. पदे के बहम दा क्वालिटी विच रदना पस पखपल मेन वर्ब वी दा ब मेन वर्ब नवी पर सेंटेंस के होएगे. नेक्स्ट पदे के डिफरेंसेस दी अगर सदी चे इफ यू रिमेंबर मुंगो विच हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स दी they are followed by different forms of verbs. कले बदागे ना पस फर्स्ट फॉर्म राजी, कले बा ing फॉर्म राजी, कले बा थर्ड फॉर्म राजी. हो when we talk about modal auxiliary ददे ना पस सिर्फ जमू सरा बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इस्तेमाली की. हाँ, modal verbs are always followed by base form of verb. You may call it first form of verb. हाँ, no, the modal auxiliaries न पस पा हमेशा जमू सरा base form of verb चली आगा इस्तेमाली की. Clear? बल quality the modal auxiliary दारा. If you remember, munga which helping verbs chidi they show aspect of tense या singularity and plurality of subject. Da gadwa karu nadi the helping verb. Chiya ba muta the subject singularity plurality khai या बा आगा मुंगता दा tense aspect khai चे tense चली आगा कम हो दे. हो modal auxiliaries chidi they have their own functions. The हर यो modal auxiliary खपल यो कार दे खपल यो function दे. न दर tense ता खुदो सर दुमरा कार निश्तर द ज़ियाद कार दारे चे दे बमुंगता मुख्तलिफ functions चidi आगा perform की. Okay, so every modal verb has its own function. The har yo modal auxiliaries the musar khpal yo function. Now what are the major modal auxiliaries? The musar major modal auxiliaries they are can, could, may, might, should, ought to, must, would, have to, has to, sometimes they are called, but the zamusara chikam the major modal auxiliaries chikam the agadadi. So we'll discuss them one by one. Chera can bam kam je istemalu, khud ba kam je istemalu. We'll discuss them one by one. So far, is that clear to you? Taro se pure clear di? Yes. Sahi shu hopa ki nishta? Quickly write them, shabash. That's the rule. Now we'll discuss all the modal auxiliaries one by one. Today we'll talk about can. Can munga charta istemalu the sada par istemalu. So we can use can for different things. First we use it for when we talk about our abilities چې کله زه یو کار کولی شم صحیح ده like when I say I am able to do something, like for example I am able to play cricket, I'm able to swim, I'm able to run, I'm able to speak English. So for that I can say I can speak English, I can run, I can swim. Okay, I'll give you examples. No یو کار دا دی چې can مونږ استعمالو د abilities لپاره صحیح ده. Second, we can also use it for permission. Like when you say may I come in, you may also say can I come in, but can is a bit informal. دا like informal دی. زیات تر مونږ چې کله د ملګرو وغیره سره خبرې کوو د هغوی نه مونږ سپوز اجازت غواړو وغیره نو مونږ can استعمالولی شو. Like for example لکه چا نه مونږ تپوس کوو can I use your mobile phone, can I write in your notebook, can I use your pen. صحیح ده نو دا چې مونږ د هغوی نه can باندې اجازت اخیستلی شو. نو permission دپاره هم مونږ can aga istemaaloli shu صحیح ده. We can also use it for possibility sometimes. امکان but the possibility د پاره نن میجر زموږ سره چې هغه may دی خو can چې دا هم مونږه استعمالولی شي possibility. For example if I say that Mr. Farman may help you, نو هغې پسې زه دا هم ویلی شم چې Mr. Farman can help you, کیدای شي ستا مدد وکړي صحیح ده مدد کولی شي سو کیدای شي مدد دی وکړي. نو somehow د possibility دپاره هم مونږه can چې دی هغه استعمالولی شو. اوس structure به د دې سوي د positive sentences دپاره we have subject can, first form ما تاسو ویلو base form normally چې کوم مونږ وایو اوس تاسو را اسانتیا دپاره I'll write first form, then object if any. object په کله ضرورت وي when the verb is transitive. کله چې دا verb transitive وي نو object په ضرورت وي، که دا intransitive وي دا object ضرورت نشته. and rest of the sentence صحیح ده کوم باقي څه انفارمیشن پکې تاسو اډ کول غواړئ. لکه for example I can speak English. Now دا زما سره basic sentence پوره شو. I is subject, can modal auxiliary, speak spoke spoken زموږ سره first form راغی, English object, and rest of the sentence means like for example I can say I can speak English fluently. نو بس دا پسې تاسو مزید اضافه کولی شئ د الفاظو صحیح ده. Ali can play cricket, again the same structure صحیح ده. Yeah, he can swim, no need of object. swim زموږ سره چې intransitive verb دی نو د object ضرورت پکې پاتې نشو. Okay, can you give me few examples؟ مالا سه examples را کولی شئ تاسو one by one please. Yes, what can you do؟ تاسو څه کولی شئ؟
I can speak Urdu.
Okay, she can speak Urdu. I can cook paratha, very good. I can ride a bike, very good. I can read books. Okay, that's the question. Aho question dekna. I can drive a car. Huh? I can write a letter. I can play football, very good. Now da ho zamu sara positive structure show if ability da sahi na ability da para that all ability examples dikha sahi na. So when you can do something, when you are able to do something, no da ge da para structure zamu sara da de. But if you think you cannot do something, your car you are not able to do that, تاسو هغه نشئ کولی نو دا غیر لپاره structure دا دی چې subject followed by cannot, or you may shorten it to can't. American say can't, American can't we, British can't we, see? And then first form and then object if any. Okay, for example I can play cricket but I cannot play hockey. Okay, I cannot play hockey. I can speak English but I cannot speak Chinese. Okay, so if I say he cannot, yeah, he can't speak Chinese. Okay, so that's a musra negative structure. So when you are not able to do something, kale chita su yokar nashe koli. Clear? Next we have yes no question. how to make yes no question. Bring can to the start of the sentence. The can the fiqri start tarawale and put question mark at the end and you have a question. So the structure is can, then subject, first form, object if any, and question mark. Okay, so if I say can you speak English, जवाब बसंग ओवर को yes, then comma, then subject, then can, no, then subject, then can't. For example, if I ask him can you speak English and he says yes I can, yes I can, and if he says no I can't. Okay, so jawab bamung pa yes I can, no I can't, ya chikam subject to yes he can, no he can't. This way we'll answer it. Sahida, yes, can you ask me few questions? Ask me questions, shabash. Mane uso questions okay?
Can you speak Chinese?
No I can't.
Can you cook biryani?
Yes I can.
Can you play cricket?
Yes I can.
Can you play football?
No I can't.
Can you play hockey?
No I can't.
Can you speak
No
English?
I can't. Yes I can, little bit. Okay,
Can you ride
can you ride a bike? Yes I can. So here, so
Can you cook biryani for us?
yes I can.
Get what I want.
Yes I can on 31st of 31st or 41st of the month. सही ना? 41 तारीख माने बदले पखकू. हाँ. And now how to make WH questions? WH questions बबले के संग जोड़ो. So for WH questions, you remember that we have WH words. What, where, when, how, वगैरह. They are WH words. So first we put that word, WH word, followed by can, and then subject, followed by first form, and rest of the sentence sign of interrogation at the end. So here, for example, if I say what can you cook, now only change this verb cook. What can you write, what can you speak, what can you bring, what can you buy. Are you getting? So like you have thousands of questions with this one single structure. Only change this verb. The verb change kave stasar bayo neve question jodi. Sahira sab khawale she saskale she sakhwadale she sarawdale she sagastale she. So what can you cook, what can you buy, what can you write, what can you read. Okay? And now when can you come for class? आप क्लास के लिए कब आ सकते हो? When? Okay? When can you arrange a party? When can you cook biryani? वगैरह वगैरह. So, and how to answer these questions? The WH question जवाब बपसंग वर्को. We'll answer it with this structure, positive chikam structure. For example, if somebody asks me what can you play, I say I can play cricket. Okay, what can you write? I can write a letter, I can write an essay, I can write a paragraph. No jawab bapa de structure sara worku. Like the yes no question jawab huzamu sara we have a separate structure. Da agar para khpal yo structure de the this jawab chikam de abamu ka full sentence sara worku. Sahira? No, that is how we make WH questions with can. The can sara chikam WH questions ja pare tariqa wani jodi. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
You may write it.